Hi, I'm Bethany, and that's Drew.
Living in a metropolis like Los Angeles, there are a number of ways you can get around. You could bike, you could take the metro, or you could drive a car if you don't mind the traffic.
One form of transportation that is iconic has shuttled a record number of passengers while being the shortest and cutest of its kind.
It's also endured a number of closings over the years, but it's up and running once again. It's called Angel's Flight, right here on Oddity Odysseys. So we're heading to downtown LA, home of Grand Central Market, the last bookstore, and Angel's Flight.
Traffic and parking are usually a hassle in that side of town, so we decided to leave the car at home.
I think that's our train. This is train number 1.
Is that the right one?
God, I hope so. We're riding a train to go ride a train.
Angel's Flight is more of a lift?
No, it's a funicular, right? It also happens to be the shortest railway in the world. Angel's Flight is right in the heart of downtown at 350 South Grand Avenue. We're getting off the Metro Red Line at Pershing Square Station, and from there it's only half a block away.
To see a 116-year-old funicular, which takes passengers from Hill Street to Grand Avenue.
And it hasn't been reopened for very long, has it?
Well, Angel's Flight first opened in 1901, but closed May 18th, 1969 when Bunker Hill underwent development.
Right, and its original location was down by the 3rd Street Tunnel. But when they decided to reopen it in 1996, it was moved half a block to its current location. After it reopened, though, it didn't have much luck.
Nope, it's been through a series of reopenings and closings since all the accidents have been happening, including a tragic fatality in 2001.
Ooh.
But the city made repairs and it's been running since August 31st, 2017. So where did the name Angel's Flight come from?
Well, actually, back when the train was first built, there was an archway over the tracks labeled Angel's Flight, and I guess that name just stuck.
And despite all the safety measures and reconstruction, everything pretty much looks the same.
Yeah, especially Olivet and Sinai.
Who?
The train cars. They were named after the biblical mountains of Mount Olivet, Mount Sinai.
I guess now we just have to find where to buy tickets.
I would guess this giant orange building. Yep, there's a line.
Angel's Flight is more of a fun trip than a necessity of transportation, but still a staple in LA landmarks. In November 1952, a plaque was bestowed to the railway to commemorate its 50th anniversary. The plaque reads, "Built in 1901 by Colonel J.W. Eddy, lawyer, engineer, and friend of Abraham Lincoln, Angel's Flight is said to be the world's shortest incorporated railway."
Great, thanks so much.
Thank you.
All right, on you go. Where do you want to sit?
Well, we have lots of choices. Sit down.
I want to sit here.
Okay.
No. Here.
Make up your mind.
Here, I want to sit here. So we just waited for it to go.
Watch, we're just actually stuck.
Oh, it's moving. Oh my God, we're moving.
Slowly but surely. I feel like we're gonna hit these people.
Right?
I'm like nervous I'm all way, even though we're going really slow. Hello, fellow passengers. There they go. It's a good form of transportation if you don't want to take that big flight of steps.
Yeah, it's not moving very fast either. If you jumped off this thing, you wouldn't even have to like duck and roll.
Yeah,
You could just land on your feet and you'd be fine. If it wasn't so far down.
Even then you would probably still be okay. I hear rumbling.
Well, that means it's about to go again. So this is the bottom. Yeah, it still says it up there, Angel's Flight.
You wanna go again?
Absolutely.
We're gonna go again!
So you think I can sit right here?
I didn't even know that you could sit back here.
This is like the outdoor seating. This is cool.
Yeah, this is 2 people maximum.
Yeah. Such a nice day to sit outdoors.
Yes.
Well, the track splits. That's cool. So it splits into two
Well,
so that we won't hit them.
This could be the day that doesn't happen.
The counterbalanced cars, controlled by cable, travel at 33% grade for 315 feet. It is estimated that Angel's Flight has carried more passengers per mile than any other railway in the world, over 100 million in its first 50 years. This incline railway is a public utility operating under a franchise granted by the city of Los Angeles.
Are we in Olivet right now? Yeah, we are, huh? Oh no, this is Sinai.
Which one are we passing? Oh, and we're passing it really close, like. Oh, that's Olivet.
Oh, we're on Sinai.
So we're on Sinai. I can't believe we've lived in LA for 7 years and we never rode this thing.
First time for everything. And it's easy to see why they declared this railway LA Historical Cultural Monument number 4.
Number 4?
Number 4.
So there were only 3 cultural monuments until they declared this one number 4. All right, we're getting close to the end of the line here, so I hope the train stops.
Oh, that was fun. That was an official Los Angeles experience.
Yes, it was. Now we are officially Los Angelinos, I guess, right?
I hope so.
You want to ride it again?
Yeah.
Angel's Flight has had its ups and downs.
Literally.
Quite literally. But it's open once again for the public to enjoy, and to avoid some steps.
The cost to ride is $1 cash or 50 cents if you have a Metro Tap card. And once you've had your fill of the fun, you can go down to Grand Central Market for some food and drinks.
And if you're in the neighborhood, check out The Last Bookstore. We have an episode on that. You can find it on our website, oddityodyseys.com. And we'll see you next time. So we're heading to downtown LA, home of The Last Bookstore, Angel's Flight, and the Grand Central Market.
And traffic and parking are usually a hassle in that. What? Why?
So we're heading to downtown LA, and actually our train is leaving. Our train's leaving. We were heading to downtown LA,